Hi again, Tony back to show you some of the many ways Rosco Vision Systems provides maximum protection for drivers, vehicles, and pedestrians. We've been manufacturing automotive visual safety products in New York since 1907, and today Rosco is one of the nation's leading manufacturers of visual safety solutions for just about anything on wheels, from commercial bus and truck fleets to cargo vans and shuttle buses. Among our many popular safety solutions are backup warning kits featuring cameras and/or wireless sensors. Now, Rosco offers the very best in backup systems to assist drivers when moving in reverse or extra protection against accidents and vehicle damage. Ideal for cars, SUVs, 4x4s, minivans, pickups, and small trucks, the BSSK 1000 Wireless Backup Sensor Kit is a collision warning and obstacle detection system that uses ultrasonic technology to alert drivers that there are obstructions behind their vehicles. The sensors communicate wirelessly with a control box, which displays notifications on the LCD panel in the cab, and then sounds an alarm for impending collisions. For ultrasonic backup sensors, mount under the rear bumper 6 to 9 inches from the side edge and spaced an equal distance from one another. The in-bumper type sensors provide the look of a factory-installed system. Using ultrasonic technology, they detect the distance between the vehicle and rear obstructions. The distance appears on the driver's digital display unit and registers within preset zones. LED bars indicate the direction and distance of any obstruction. See here, these tell you whether it's on the left, middle, or right. Distances are shown in feet, so for example, 1 foot being the danger zone will activate a beeping sound. 4 feet will be a safe zone with no beeping sound. When an obstruction is present in the alarm or danger area, the audible alarm is sounded. And all wires, connectors, mounting hardware, and instructions written by Rosco's staff engineers and field technicians for easy installation. This compact model operates with lower power consumption and provides high weather, shock, and vibration resistance. It's backed by a 1-year warranty, and our customer service team in New York is ready to assist you at 1-800-227-2095. The BSSK 1000 is 100% tested for reliability in helping keep children, pets, and passersby safe when vehicles back up, avoiding insurance claims and costly repairs, and making parking a whole lot easier. Street parking, parallel parking, garage parking, and parking in tight spots. All Rosco products feature unbeatable quality, performance, service, and support that every driver and fleet operator can count on. For more great visual safety solutions from Rosco, be sure to watch my other videos. I'll see you soon. Rosco, a century of automotive vision safety. Telephone 1-800-227-2095. www.roscovision.com.